Hello everyone, welcome to LR English Odia. ମୁଁ କିଛି କହିପାରେ କି? ମୁଁ କିଛି କହିପାରେ କି? Can I say something? Can I say something? ମୁଁ କିଛି କହିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ. I want say something. I want say something. ମୁଁ ଏହାକୁ ପୁନରାବୃତ୍ତି କରିବି ନାହିଁ. I won't repeat it. I won't repeat it. ମୁଁ କହୁଅଛି. I am talking. I am talking. ମୁଁ ଚାହୁଁ ନଥିଲି. ମୁଁ ଚାହୁଁ ନଥିଲି. I did not want. I did not want. ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସମସ୍ୟା କ'ଣ? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? ମୁଁ ତୁମ ପାଇଁ କିଛି ବି କରିବାକୁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ଥିଲି. I was ready to do anything for you. I was ready to do anything for you. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ବିଷୟରେ ଭାବେ. I think about you. I think about you. ମୁଁ ତଥାପି ଯତ୍ନ ନେଉଛି. ମୁଁ ତଥାପି ଯତ୍ନ ନେଉଛି. I still care. I still care. ବହୁତ ଡେରି ହୋଇଗଲା. ବହୁତ ଡେରି ହୋଇଗଲା. It's too late. It's too late. ଏହା ମଧ୍ୟାହ୍ନ ଭୋଜନ ସମୟ. It's time for lunch. It's time for lunch. ମୁଁ ଏଠି ତୁମ ପାଇଁ ଅଛି. ମୁଁ ଏଇଠି ତୁମ ପାଇଁ ଅଛି. I am here for you. I am here for you. ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କରିବ? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କରିବ? What will you do? What will you do? ତୁମର ସମସ୍ୟାକୁ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ଦେଖ. Look closely at your problem. Look closely at your problem. ବାସ୍ ମୋ ସହିତ ରୁହ. Just stay with me. Just stay with me. ସେ ବିଷୟରେ ଚିନ୍ତା କରିବା ବନ୍ଦ କର. Stop thinking about that. Stop thinking about that. ମୁଁ ତାହାକୁ ଘୃଣା କରେ. I hate that. I hate that. ତୁମେ ମୋତେ ହଇରାଣ କରୁଛ. You are bothering me. You are bothering me. ମୁଁ କେବଳ ତୁମର ସ୍ୱର ଶୁଣିବାକୁ କଲ୍ କରିଥିଲି. I just called to hear your voice. I just called to hear your voice. ଏହାକୁ ଗଡ଼ବଡ଼ କରନି. Don't mess it up. Don't mess it up. ତୁମେ କିଛି ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ କି? Do you understand anything? Do you understand anything? ଦୋଷ ତୁମର, ମୋର ନୁହେଁ. The fault is yours, not mine. The fault is yours, not mine. ଆପଣ ରୋଷେଇ ଜାଣନ୍ତି କି? Do you know how to cook? Do you know how to cook? ହଁ, ମୁଁ ଜାଣେ. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. ମୁଁ କେବେ ବି ଏହାକୁ ଭୁଲିବି ନାହିଁ. I will never forget this. I will never forget this. ଟିକେ ପଛକୁ ଘୁଞ୍ଚି ଯାଅ. Just back away. Just back away. ଏହାକୁ ଗମ୍ଭୀରତାରେ ନିଅନି. Don't take it seriously. Don't take it seriously. ଏବେ କିଛି ହୋଇପାରିବ ନାହିଁ. Nothing can be done now. Nothing can be done now. ସେ ବହୁତ ରାଗିଗଲେ. ସେ ବହୁତ ରାଗିଗଲେ. He was so angry. He was so angry. ଏହା ତୁମ ପାଇଁ. This is for you. This is for you. ଏହାକୁ ପୁଣି ଥରେ କର. ଏହାକୁ ପୁଣି ଥରେ କର. Do it again. डू इट एगेन। ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ କହିଥିଲି। I told you. I told you. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ପୂର୍ବରୁ କହିଥିଲି। I already told you. I already told you. ସେମିତି କିଛି ନୁହେଁ। It's nothing like that. It's nothing like that. ତୁମେ ପାଗଳ କି? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? ନିଜ କାମରେ କାମ ରଖ। Mind your own business. Mind your own business. ଏହା କରିବା ବନ୍ଦ କର। Stop doing this. Stop doing this. ମୋତେ ଦୋଷ ଦିଅ ନାହିଁ। ମୋତେ ଦୋଷ ଦିଅ ନାହିଁ। Don't blame me. Don't blame me. ଫାଲତୁ କଥା କୁହ ନାହିଁ। Don't talk rubbish. Don't talk rubbish. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ରକ୍ଷା କରିବି ନାହିଁ। I will not spare you. I will not spare you. ମୋର ତୁମ ସହିତ କୌଣସି ନବାଦବା ନାହିଁ। I have nothing to do with you. I have nothing to do with you. Thanks for watching. ଆପଣ ଏହିପରି ନୂଆ ନୂଆ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ତ ଏବେ ହିଁ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ। ଆଉ ହଁ ଲାଇକ୍ ସେୟାର କରିବାକୁ ବିଲକୁଲ ବି ଭୁଲିବେନି।